So let yourself be guided by your hosts, the German hosts. They know all about it, or where the companies are. In each company you have one contact person who will welcome you and who will guide you in the companies and let you know what is important for this part in the companies. You have to pay attention, you have to ask lots of questions. You will get in a few minutes this portfolio from me and you have to fill it out. There are questions regarding the company, regarding how many persons are working there, what they're. Fill this out because it is very important that you also bring it with you on Wednesday so we can discuss it. We will have some presentations, we will have to write a small report on these 2 days that you spent in the companies. We will also have a call. Be there at 9 o'clock, at 8 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, I don't know. It depends on the company. Also ask when you have the lunch break and if you have enough time to go somewhere and eat together. So you have.
Raise your hand and then I explain, alright? Otherwise it's too complicated and takes too long. But read the questions now please and tell me if you do not understand a question or a word or something.
Yes. 5 or 10 minutes to go.
5 or 10 minutes, read the questions, and if you have a question, raise your hand.
Okay.
Alright. Okay? Alright, so then.
Do you have any questions at all? Then I have to clear 2 small points for all of you. Thank you, Hannes. So take a look at the last page and the one before the last page. I don't know what number it is, number 4. So what you already need to do after you have all the information from the company is point number 4. It's write a short text about your job shadowing experience. There you have to describe the 2 days in the company. Just describe what you have learned, what you have seen. In your own words and please in English. As far as guests, don't worry about making mistakes. We're not going to copy them when we do the digital one because we're going to coach you when you tip them on the computer. So you are going to write them correctly. So don't worry about that. And nobody will take a look at your name. And the last page. This is the conclusion. So what have you learned? What did you find interesting? What do you think would be also important for the next pupils that are going to have a job shadowing experience? Something important that you have taken with you from this short experience in the company. What you should leave out, so don't do that, is the small table with the pros and cons. So what was good, what was bad, but it is about the whole experience. And it's not only about the companies, it's also about this introduction today at school. Was everything okay? Could I maybe optimize anything for the next meeting in May? Also for the last day where you will work in groups, maybe you have better ideas than us teachers and you are well